drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. No wahala.
Hey y'all, what's up y'all? It's been a minute since I've been on here. Y'all know we took a little bit of a break, and even though we were uploading before, those were all like pre-uploads, but y'all, we are back. We've been through a lot, and I have to say that God is so good. I do feel like he's still working on us, but God is so good. So please keep us in your prayers, and we will definitely pray for you. But y'all, I got this gorgeous brand new summer unit. This one comes from Unice Amazon. So if you guys are interested in this one, definitely check down below in the description bar where everything is going to be linked for you. But this is their blend secure half wig in the texture Kinky Curly. It is 24 inches long, and it does have that drawstring along with the flip blend cap so that you can blend your hair in effortlessly in those 4C kinky edges. I'm going to show you guys what I do with my hair to get the unit to blend in. I'm going to first section off a generous amount of hair. I like to have an even amount of hair, but on one side a little more because I use that hair on the back side to cover up the weft, and the rest of the hair I use it to blend in with the unit. As far as the rest of my hair, I don't have it braided down. I'm just going to throw it in a ponytail and put on a stocking cap, and you guys can see this is how much hair that I am using for my leave out. Of course, you don't have to use this much. You don't even have to use any leave out. You can wear this unit with a headband, but what I do is saturate my hair with some water, and then I take this shining hold jam. It's for your edges, but it really helps with defining my curls, and I've seen a lot of girlies on YouTube do this method, and it looks good on everybody, no matter what your hair type is, no matter how long or short your hair is. It really helps with blending your hair, and it really holds those curls so that it's not reverting or losing its definition. I definitely recommend this method. I'll link all the products that I'm using down below. All of the products that I do use is very affordable. You can get it on Amazon. But y'all, this is how my hair came out once it was fully dried. Y'all can see those curls are okay, but I'm going to also show you guys what I do to further enhance it or to further get it to blend a little bit better. But y'all can see just how the wig's curls look in that cap construction along with the drawstring. This wig is going to fit your head very securely along with those additional combs for added security. The first style that I want to wear with this unit is with the headband. So I want to show you guys what this unit will look like with no leave out, because I do know a lot of you guys may not want to do leave out, or you might be using this as a protective style. So what I did was place my hair underneath this stocking cap, and you guys can see how this unit lays. Again, it does have those kinky edges on the band, making it so that it's not super thin, as well as it's going to be an effortless blend. I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers just to go through the hair and get those curls to look much more natural.
No wahala, enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala.
So this is what the curls on my wig is now looking like. Y'all can see this hair definitely gets very big the more you manipulate it. This hair, when it's dry, mimics a type 4 hair type. So if you are in the 4 category, this hair is going to blend in with your texture as long as it's dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do the no leave out method. Y'all, I just went and kind of poofed my hair a little bit. Now it don't look that great, okay? It doesn't. I do have long hair, so I really struggle with that look, but I am going to also show you what this hair will look like if you do choose to wear it with the headband. I think it's really giving summer vibes. It's super cute. The hair is very lightweight. Now this is a lot of hair, so if you're going to wear big hair like this, make sure you're wearing it with a super cute sundress and some sandals. Y'all know, looking real cute and ready for the summer. summer. This hair will definitely give you your life. I think it's so cute, y'all. Again, this is 24 inches and the density of this one is very full and it is ready to wear. But now what I'm going to do is show you guys how I define the curls on the unit. I'm just going to saturate the hair with a lot of water because this hair is pretty full, and I like to go in with my silicone mix leave-in conditioner. This is really going to make the hair feel very soft and natural. It also is going to give it a nice scent, and I go in with any kind of curl defining gel, whatever you like. These two products work really well together so it doesn't flake or turn crusty on you. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and wet the hair, apply a generous amount of that leave-in conditioner as well as a little bit of that gel, and just go throughout the entire wig using my Alicia leather spoon, I think that's what it's called, curl defining brush. I'll link that. I do get mine from Amazon just to get those curls to pop.
Enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. No wahala, no wahala. Enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. Wake up early, thank Baba God. Oh. No stress for my head, I dey ball. Oh. Life no easy, but I dey smile you. Every hustle go pay, just give am time, you. If you no be money talk, no call me. If you no be love and peace, no worry. We dey shine like sun, no darling. Boy, I make we dance, no for me. No wahala, no wahala. Enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. No wahala, no wahala. Enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. Them talk say I no go make am.
So these are how the curls turned out. You guys can see the texture now is more of a type 3 curl pattern. So once the hair dries, it's definitely going to shrink a little more so that your type 4 hair can blend in. And y'all, if you don't notice already, my hair is a type 4. It might not look so much like it because it is longer, so gravity just kind of makes the curls much looser. But y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how my hair blends in with this wig, but I am going to go in and kind of further define my curls because I thought my hair was looking a little bit frizzy in my opinion. So I'm just taking a little bit of water on my fingertips and just gently wetting the hair. You don't want to put too much water because your hair is going to turn into an afro. So I just take a little bit of water just to kind of revert the curls, to kind of make them kind of show the texture a little further, if that makes any sense. And then I take that shine and jam and just apply it to the hair. Again, y'all, the product is very heavy, so it really helps with defining your hair and holding it in place. And this is how my hair is now looking along with the wig. And y'all, the hair did dry down some, so you guys are able to see how those curls shrunk a little bit, and y'all can just see the blend. You know, it's looking quite good, not perfect but good. All right, again, y'all, this unit is 24 inches long. Here are the angles of the hair, y'all. This is where it falls on me, and I am 5'8". The density of this unit is, I believe, 150, but it feels a lot fuller. So y'all can see just how my hairline looks. Y'all, please ignore my makeup. I tanned a lot, so my makeup doesn't blend right. It's looking real ghostly, so please ignore that. But y'all, you can definitely wear this in a side part as well. Again, let's get a close-up of the two textures, my texture along with the wig's texture. So if you are a type 4 girly or even a type 3 girly, this unit is definitely going to blend, but you are going to have to use a little bit of some effort as well as products that work with your hair type, and you should get a flawless blend. Again, this unit does have those additional combs on the inside, so this hair does come with an ample amount of security. It's not going to go anywhere. Y'all can pick this unit up at Unice Amazon. I'll be sure to leave all the links down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.